Okay, so we just arrived at Pryford Lock. We're going to have a family boat trip. So Beck's just setting her boat up now. She's going to be doing a 2-night camp out along the river this weekend. We are going to be in this boat, us three, and we're just coming for the day, a nice day trip down the river. So where we're going is part of the River Wey, and we are currently at Pryford Lock. As you can see on the map there, and we're heading down here towards Guildford area. Obviously I don't think we're going to be going that far. Dad here just setting up the boat. Banana boat is now set up. So we've just set off now. Cruising.
Cruising.
It's windy on the river today.
Windy the boat.
I like the boat. Would you like to live in a houseboat?
I've got one. Please.
It's nice to be back out again on the trips with Bushwacker Man. Having fun, boo? So we've just stopped off now. We're going to have a drink and something to eat. The river was too fast flowing and there was flooding, so stopped us from going any further, especially with Becky's boat that she's using. It's a pretty nice day today, nice and sunny. It's just the wind chill that makes it pretty cold. Apart from that, it's really nice. It's been a long time now since I've done a video. Time is flying. As I said before, I've been super busy working, so I haven't had a chance to do many videos or to even do a camp out this year so far, and I've got my new sleeper bag and everything, so that's been a shame. But I'm hoping to get out soon and do a trip, weekend trip. So the reason why I haven't is because I've been working as I'm saving up, as I'm going travelling to Tanzania next month, well, end of March time. I'll be going there for a month, 30 days, well, just over a month I think it is. So I'm really excited for that. Going back to the village again, gonna travel around Tanzania more. I didn't have the chance to do that last time. Gonna go over to Zanzibar as well. I'm gonna go on a boat trip there. And and yeah, just spend time in the village, see the community again. So I'm really looking forward to that. I think it'll be a great experience. I'm going with my friend who I was in the village with last time, I was in the same group with, and meeting the Tanzanians who are in the team as well. For any of you that don't know or that are new to my channel, I actually volunteered in Tanzania last year for 2.5 months in a rural village with an ICS program. So we were building toilets for the school and teaching them about hygiene, and stayed in a homestay there. So I'm planning to go back to that village again and to see my homestay again and everyone that was in the village. Really looking forward to that. I'm going to video the whole trip, the footage, so you can see what it was like in the village, see where I stayed, everything that was involved, as my last video on it was mainly just pictures and everything. So I'm planning to do that from March to April, and then I'll come back, and then I'm going to fit in some campouts and everything in May time, and then we'll have the bushcraft show at the end of May, and then in summer, so June, planning to go interrailing around Europe. So it's going to be a really fun year with lots of travelling. So I'm just saving up at the moment to afford all my adventures, which means that I haven't had time to do as many videos or be outside in nature, which has been a shame. But thanks for staying tuned to my channel, all the people that have subscribed. It means a lot. So in the next couple of weeks I'm going to be doing a loadout video of everything that I'll be taking and how I plan for the trip. You can check that out and see what I'll be taking with me, and I'll talk more about the trip and everything that I'll be doing in more detail then. Bex has got a nice setup going here. She's got her wild camping tool. Do love that.
I
suppose we'll have to purchase one of those.
Stove.
Yeah, how much do they cost then?
I'm not sure actually. I'll have to look into that.
Yeah.
Look on the description of my video if you're
Yeah.
interested.
I'm definitely interested. It's a shame you can't do your camp out tonight, isn't it? You had all your gear, everything. But unfortunately the river is not in our favour.
Right.
It's a beautiful day though, isn't it?
It's a beautiful day.
Absolutely gorgeous. Are you going to be cooking on this bad boy then?
I think I'm going to be cooking a few salmon in the water.
A few salmon. You can hunt and catch.
Well, I've got my fishing rod here.
God, look at that bad boy.
So I just got to set up a line,
Yeah.
cast it in, and that will be ready to go.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've got to get the fire.
Is there salmon in these waters then?
I don't really know.
I thought salmon only live in the sea. Cool. Feed through there, you see that? Oh. Wind's pretty strong today, isn't it? What happened? It was really good earlier.
Yeah,
I'm not sure
it's
if I...
burning quick because of the wind.
Maybe I wouldn't recommend this to a friend anymore.
You don't recommend me getting the fire with.
Yeah, maybe you're not so good at
Too much
fires as I
chatting.
thought. Yeah, it shows how you can get distracted. Fire is life out here. You got to be paying attention. Look at them skills. What technique is this one then?
It's a Snoop Dogg.
Snoop Dogg. Look, it's back in action.
have a heart attack.
Smoky? Ash is going everywhere. That's why I always say, when you're working around fires, you got to protect the eyes. Always wear some shades. It's a beautiful day though, isn't it?
It's a beautiful day.
Absolutely gorgeous. Like you, boo.
Say that again.
What's your favourite part about nature? About the outdoors?
Oh, it's too much.
Why you love it so much?
It's a hard one. What was the question again?
Your memory skills are absolutely shocking. Oh, it's back up and running the fire. Look at that. How many subscribers are you on now?
17.
17k. 17k though. That's good going, isn't it?
Yeah, it's nearly the same number as my age.
Oh, it is. Yeah. 17 in April. This girl can start driving then, can't you?
Yeah, you won't want me on the road.
No. I finally passed now, haven't I?
Yeah,
6th time lucky.
And the rest.
You're funny, aren't you? How long have you been on YouTube now then?
I think it's been a year.
A year? Is that all?
I think, yeah, a year and a bit.
That's incredible. The kettle's now on. Well, that's a nice bit of kit, isn't it? Looks perfect. Looks nice. What's this? Your cup from Finland.
My cook's up.
You made this, didn't you?
Yeah. And a nice coffee.
All the way from Finland. So that was a good trip. Now we're heading back. Started to rain as well. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.